Hi guys and girls, how are you? This video will be in English because it's for an American lady and I will be speaking in English, but you all know that you can put subtitles in the little wheel from YouTube. Olá pessoal, tudo bem com vocês? Este vídeo vai ser em inglês porque é para uma norte-americana e então tem de ser em inglês, ok? Mas vocês já sabem, lá na rodinha do YouTube, para colocar as legendas em português, as legendas automáticas. So, let's see what I made for Christmas for her. So this is the envelope that I made. I used a black envelope that I had in my stash and made some decorations with Christmas stamping. And in this side I used bigger stamps that I had for the first time. And I have a little thank you and Merry Christmas to the mailman or mailwoman, because without them these exchanges couldn't be made. So I've made Shelia a little, I don't know how to pocket letter, I don't know. I follow a design that I've made before, and I've sewn. It was really tricky because this line is in fact two lines in one, so one was always breaking, and it was really tricky because it's a gold line. So yes, this is the front. Here we have the letter in this pocket. It's a big pocket. I have the letter in here just for me and her, and I have a something here. I have a bracelet, a wish bracelet, and I have a huge paper clip to hold it all together. I will put all back in the end because I'm I'm so bad doing this in camera, so better do it in the end. So then we have two pockets more, and they are filled with goodies. So in the first pocket, the little one, let's start with this. I've put some handmade stuff that I've made, sewing and for Christmas. Then I have in here, oh my god, this fallout from where? From one of these, I don't know. From this one, I think. I'll put it back together. So I have in here some of my stamps, my wax stamps. So it's a little gift with the Christmas colors. I have a paper clip in shape of an envelope too. I like paper clips, different paper clips, and I hope she likes it too. I'm sharing some of my paper clips. So that's it for this pocket. And in this pocket right here I have some sticker text to from to put on Christmas gifts, and a little Rudolph wooden clip. I have in here some charms. I have here a Santa Claus charm, a Christmas tree charm. What is it? It is, oh god, it is in here. Stars, a crown, some rubber charms too, and a pom-pom charm. And then we have some puffy stickers in a traditional style of Christmas, and that's it. I hope she likes it. Now I will put all this back together. If you want a tutorial how to make this pocket letter holder, I don't know how to call it, write in the comments, and I will try to make one video showing how to make one of these. And I hope that Shelia likes it. I will release this video when she already receive it and open it, so it's really a surprise for her. So if you like this video, click on the thumbs up, please. If you like to leave a comment down below, I will try to answer it right away. And if you like the channel and you want to become part of this little family, it's in Portuguese, I know, but you can put the automatic subtitles in English if you want, or even try to learn some Portuguese and watch the images. So you can do it and subscribe to and activate all the notifications to know when I put a new video on the channel. Thank you so much. Bye.